Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you the help desk access management feature. So a few words about the feature itself before that. This feature is about allowing non-admin users, Redmine users, to have access to different features of help desk. So I'm going to show you what I actually mean so it will be easier for you to understand this. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to create a new user. So it happens here on the top right corner, the administration panel, and then click on users. Afterward, please click on new user here, and then, uh, yeah, we could use Neo from the Matrix as a login nickname. Uh, okay, so first name Neo, and last name Matrix, all right? Uh, okay. Uh, so the email could be also neomatrix.com. Okay, so we have to get some password here and just create the user, the Redmine user. All right. Okay, so it is now created. And the thing that we have to do now is to go to projects and add the project with a specific role. So in our case, it could be the help desk project, and Neo could have a role of reporter. So based on this role, he will have some access and permissions. Okay, so we add it. Okay, so now we go currently, just to say, currently we are logged in here as administrator onto this Redmine, so that's why we could add users and everything else. So we're just administrators. Now we go to the other browser and sign in with Neo. Okay, so this is Neo from the Matrix. And here we just log in. And we see here in the top right corner, logged in as Neo from the Matrix, all right? Okay, so we now go to projects, then help desk, then help desk tickets. And when we open this help desk ticket, we are going to add two permissions for Neo. So the first one will be currently he is not able to reply to this ticket, so we could access him, we could grant him this permission to reply tickets. And the other one is to see the help desk reports. They are located here on the right sidebar, so currently they are not existing, and we are going to just change this thing. Okay, so we return back to Redmine where we have been logged in as administrator, and now go to administration panel again and then roles and permissions. And Neo has the role of reporter, so we click this role and scroll down to the help desk options for this role. So currently Neo is the role of reporter and he has only the availability to view help desk tickets. So as I have showed you, I just viewed and opened the help desk ticket, but that's it. So I'm going to grant him the view reports and send response to contact, these two options. So I scroll down now and save these changes. Okay, successful update. And now return back to Neo from the matrix. So I just refresh this page and see that the reply button has appeared to Neo. So Neo from the matrix could now reply to a help desk ticket. So he click reply and just sends an answer to this client. Okay, so this is the first permission that I have granted. And the second one is to view the help desk reports. They are located here on the right sidebar. So help desk reports are first response time, business time of day, and customer satisfaction. So these things are now available to Neo because I have just granted him as administrator. Okay, so this is actually the access management in its basics. So there are other options of help desk that could be granted to users. So as you have already seen, this is the view help desk tickets, the view reports, and the send response to contacts. And also there are four more options that are available for granting. This is the edit help desk settings. This is into the settings of the project itself. Edit ticket info, manage public canned responses, as well as manage canned responses. So these are the available options for the access management of help desk. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was good and helpful for you. And if you like it, you could check other videos in our YouTube channel. You could subscribe if you wish. You could like the videos. And also you could check articles in our site, RedmineUP.com. So if you have other questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@RedmineUP.com. Thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and bye bye for now.